Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina coming back with another video. So you guys, this might be a little longer video. I'm gonna try to make it not so long, but I do want to start getting my binders ready for 2026. So y'all, it's been a long day. Look at me catching my breath and everything. Thank y'all so much for watching my previous video. Y'all be showing your girl so much love. So let's go through these binders, y'all, and see what, what we can hopefully do for 2026. One thing I do know is I don't really want to keep a bunch of envelopes. So we're just going to make sure everything is everything and take out what we're not going to use. So this is Lorenzo's binder. We already went over that. And he want to keep everything. He do want to start giving me a little money every week. So let's see what this is. We're going to put this little money to the side. Okay, so this is my binder. We're going to keep the savings. We're going to keep the birthday. We're going to keep personal. But I wonder, personal and self-care, is that two different things? Y'all let me know. I think it's two different things. Because I think it's two different things. So self-care and personal. I think I don't need personal, but I guess, yeah, I think I'm going to take personal out and just keep self-care. So self-care. Health, definitely got to start stuffing that this year. Shopping, we're going to keep that. Beauty, that's a part of the self-care also. No, because that can be like for my massages and stuff. So beauty is going to be my hair stuff. We're going to keep that. Date night, we definitely keeping that too. And then family binder, we're going to keep that. So we did take out one. So y'all, everybody is at home in case y'all hear some stuff, Can you pull your door up, please? Jaden, can somebody shut their door? I'm sorry, y'all. Savings. This is Jaden's binder. We definitely gonna keep savings. We gonna keep education, tuition, his basketball. We gonna definitely keep that. Beauty, we gonna keep that. Shopping, we're gonna keep that. Gifts, we're gonna keep that. And entertainment. So it looks like his binder will stay the same. Okay. So rent, I will be doing my fixed expenses. Well, my portion, okay? Not the total, but just my portion, what I'm going to be saving. Only thing I talk about on this channel is what I'm doing, okay? Not the total or what anybody else doing. Only what I'm doing, okay? So rent, we're going to keep that. Car, we're going to keep that. Insurance, we're going to keep that. Electricity, we're going to keep that. I need to distinguish. This is the one by the car is car insurance. This is life insurance. So water bill, we're going to go ahead. I know on my other video, we said that we were going to be stuffing that anyway. I changed my mind. We're going to take that out. Household, we're going to keep that. Subscriptions, we're going to keep that. Cable Wi-Fi, not my bill. I know I said we will be stuffing that, but we're going to take that out. Pets, supermarket, and entertainment. We're going to keep this. We're going to take this out of here too, because this is just, I want to keep it real simple and just have this, my bills. Let me just double check. Car insurance, electricity insurance, household, subscriptions, pets, and supermarket. Supermarket, we're going to take out of here too, because it probably should be not in here. That's variable, okay? So we got that cleaned up. Let's categories. My sinking funds binder. Okay. Emergency fund, we keeping that. Car maintenance fund, we keeping that. Debt, we gonna keep that. Christmas fund, we gonna keep that. Road trip, we're going to keep that. What is that? Did we see a transportation? We gonna take that out. We already got one. And taxes, we're gonna keep that. This is wheels binder. Let's see what's gonna happen with that. So we're gonna be doing a little cash stuffing for him as well. So we're gonna put that right there. So let's see, emergency fund, we're keeping that. Savings, we're keeping that. Birthday, we're keeping that. Transportation, we're gonna keep that. Health, keeping that. And vacation, we're keeping that, and Christmas. Okay. Now, my Detroit binder, well, let's see which one this is. Oh, okay, y'all, this is my savings, my yearly savings challenge binder. So I can't, even though it say 2025, y'all, I'm gonna be doing these all over. We're gonna try to just make it through, make it do what it do. So we're gonna be doing all these over. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, sorry, y'all. Bless me. So, hey, cut that down. Goodness, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. And this is my Detroit binder. I do have, and I really want to focus on this. Yeah, I really want to focus on this year. I know we have savings challenges in here and things like that, but this is just simply my kids back in Detroit, my parents, and my niece and nephew, and they kids. So we do want to try to put a couple of dollars in here a month, or as much as we can, because Christmas this time, honey, me scrambling at the last minute for birthdays and all that. We just want to try. We want to attempt to do better. Okay, then we have my mini challenges that I love so much. We're going to get into these, and we will. I don't know if this year we're going to tackle this box. I took half the cards out, but we will see. Let me put this over here back to the back. So that's that. But this year also, y'all, my great book that I made, one of my subscribers bought me this, and she bought all these stickers, and I created it. And I definitely do want to go through these this year too, starting in January. So we will see. We got a lot to do. So I'm definitely going to be picking my challenges, but these little monthly ones I definitely want to do. But y'all know I got so many books of challenges, okay? So now that we got all that cleared up, so we got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got rid of 5 envelopes for 2026, y'all. And if I do notice that I need them, it's nothing to just put them back, okay? I'm new to this budgeting, trying to figure it out. Now, I'm not new to cash stuffing, but I'm new to really budgeting my money out. But, hey, I guess that's a big part of even doing this, because we're going to try something different. We're going to try to stay on something different and see if it works. Because me just stuffing and not budgeting really haven't worked out for me that well, okay? So I'm going to still try to just figure it out, like I said, month by month. And we just got to keep figuring it out as we go. And as my bills come up, and as I look, because I still got a few days until I get all my payment dates. So I will be putting them in my phone calendar probably. And that's what it is. So we're going to be stuffing a little money into Will's binder as well today. So let's get into that. This is Will's binder. And we will be stuffing 5, 6, 7. This is some new money. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20 we're going to be starting him off with. My goal is to do it before the new year come. My goal is to just do a little something in everybody's binder, even if it's $1 each. Hey, it's better than nothing. So that's what we're going to do. So Will's binder today, he will be getting, emergency fund will be getting nothing, but his savings will be getting $5. His birthday will be getting 2. 1, 2. There's some new money here, y'all. Sometimes, you know, you complain about the regular money, but when your hands ain't counting it like that, I don't know. Right now, I don't feel like doing all that, but it's all good. I'm appreciative for the new money too. So now birthday has 1, 2, 3, 4. His birthday is the end of March. I mean May. His birthday is the end of May. Transportation will be getting $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now transportation has, oh, should be 7, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Real cool. This is my new table, y'all. I got for free, but my light thing can't connect to it, so I got it kind of rigged up here, y'all. But it's working. It's doing what it do. I hope it looks good on camera. And it actually matched like my record player stand and everything, so I'm grateful for it. It was priced, it cost $0. Okay, so health will be getting $2 too. 1, 2. It's nothing in health, so it got those 2 ducats in there. Oh man, don't tell me. Y'all know what? I cannot stand when this happens. We gon' y'all, we're gonna have to come back to health. I don't even have no scissors or nothing over here. Oh no, you know what we gonna do? We ain't gonna do that. We not about to play with it. We gonna take this right here, and we're gonna put health right here. Keep it simple. Look at me using my brain. Look at me using my brain. Okay, y'all, there we go. Now health can get that $2. Okay, vacation, we'll be getting $1. And I have my, let me see. Where is my dollar? Hold on, y'all. 1 second. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. So Christmas we'll be getting $1. We just got through with Christmas. And our Christmas was fine. It was what it was, but it was a great, peaceful Christmas. Thanksgiving too, y'all, actually. So now Christmas has $1, 2, 3, 4, $5 in it. That's good with wheels. And now we will be putting The other, oh, $3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did that happen, y'all? How did that happen? I'm not sure. But anyway, we're going to be putting these $4 in here. I don't know how that happened. We'll see if I miscalculated on the next video, y'all. We shall see. We shall see. So, y'all, I cleaned out my binders. You know, oh, let me get this change out of here, too. What she got in that purse, honey? I know one thing I got in my purse is something that'll stick me because I need to get out of here. All right. Good old Carmex. I love me some Carmex, y'all. Okay, let's get this change put up. Gotta wipe this off. Yeah, we're gonna wipe this off. I didn't dump any of my change throughout the year. We're gonna keep it moving until it get full. Okay, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. We straightened out the binder. Next time, I don't know, but before New Year's, hopefully, I can go and, but no, I really don't have to do that because I already kind of know what challenges I'm going to work on. So we're going to just try to keep it simple. And I'm going to try to just stick to the minimum, too, on the savings challenges. Just stick to my little ones that I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to get, I might do some minis, but I don't know if I'm going to even get into this box yet because the other challenges in that book and in the in this binder probably will be keeping me busy, and we don't want to stress. Y'all already know I told y'all about the therapy, and that's one thing I'm working on, just trying not to worry, trying to not overdo it. You know, I can't make all the money. I ain't got enough money. I'm not a millionaire. A lot of us not. But I ain't got to try to just work myself to death. Sometimes it is what it is, y'all. All right, y'all. So thank y'all for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every last one of y'all. See you guys on the next video. Bye.